So went and put the new starter in last night. Well, rebuilt. And cranking and cranking and cranking and cranking. Why won't it start? Check. Got spark. Yep. Got fuel. Yep. What else could it be? Okay, let's pull the carbs off. And maybe when I put the cloth over it, I sucked up something into the reeds. Pulled those off. Check. No, reeds are good. Got spark. Timing set. Why won't it go? Can't figure it out. Checked everything. What could it be? Phone my old boat wrecker guy. Explained my situation. He's an old timer. Old man. He goes, what year is it? I said, I think it's late 90s, early 80s. He goes, and it was backfiring? I said, yep. It was backfiring. He goes, you sheared off your crank pin. I said, pull off the flywheel. Check your pin. Sheared right off. It's completely smooth across here. So my flywheel was a quarter of a turn away. No wonder why I couldn't get the timing in. No wonder why I couldn't get any spark, or not spark, couldn't get it to go. So, going to replace this little flywheel key. Get her going. Check it out. Fuel pump, when I crank it over, fuel pump spraying fuel, it's pulsing. So that's good. I must have fucked up the reeds, I think. Come on, you bitch. The bottom one's always so fucking hard to get in there. Not getting gas. Shouldn't that be spraying more fuel? Oh, well, I guess I have it disconnected. It has suction on all the cylinders. See, like the reeds, right? Oh, they are open, actually. Look at that. That one's open. Actually, they're not perfectly closed. And they move, but yeah, they're not closed. I can see light through those everywhere. That one. Yeah. That's bad reeds. Yeah, man. Look at that. All of them have light coming through pretty much. There's a couple that don't. That one's pretty closed. That one's majorly open. That one's closed. So yeah, all the reeds, all three of them have ones that are open. That's no good. Swap the reeds from the other motor, put them on, put the carbs on. was a little troubleshooting video that I wanted to do because I was racking my brain all day. You don't know how many people I talked to try and figure that one out. So yeah, if your motor's running, backfires, then it won't start again. First, take your flywheel off, check that key, make sure it hasn't sheared off. If that don't work, spray a little bit of fuel into the cylinders through the spark plug. If it barks and then runs out of fuel, pull your carburetors off, get those reeds out of there because that backfire destroyed the reeds. You know, they need to be perfectly closed to work. Yeah. You guys like my video? Give me a subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. I'll keep on doing troubleshooting videos and how-to videos for you guys. Keep on boating.